So Balu Forge has gone up by 50% in just 7 days. Yes, in last 7 days it went up by 50%, 50. Well, I made a video on Balu Forge on my other channel, Financial Affairs, just few days back, and after making the video in 1 to 2 days, it started the big rally. And the main topic was that did Balu Forge actually hit its ultimate support level? And seems like the analysis was correct, and it did hit. And I will show in today's video how I actually figured out that it could hit this level and go up, and which eventually it did. And seeing the current scenario that it went up 50% in 7 days, what could you do if you have not made the entry at that time, either for trade or investment? So make sure to watch this video till the end, but remember that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stocks based on your own risk appetite. This is just an educational video to inform you how to analyze and how to make the approach for analyzing stocks, right? So let's get started. This is the official website of Balu Forge, and I'll share this link in the description section. You can go through it. Now coming to the price section, you see this is the big move, and I made a video when the stock was trading around this level. Okay, and I will share that link also in the description section of my other channel, where I have done the analysis, and that will help you. Definitely you can watch that video after you watch this one. Okay, so if I start measuring from this level, this low level here, then we can clearly see it went up by 54% in just 7 days. You can imagine how massive the rally was, and you can see there are big moves. This is 19.83%, this is 10.62%, so big moves. Okay, this is 6%. So and then here is a gap up again, 8.76%. Now the stock is starting to come down at this level today. Okay, 25th March. And why is that? The answer is very simple, because here lies the previous resistance level. How is that? See, I can clearly draw one line here which will align exactly with the current resistance level. You can see earlier the stock tried to break this level 670. Here you can see, then it drastically failed, it came down, and it definitely tried to go up. Here we can see one bullish engulfing pattern which again failed, came down here, and then finally it was able to go up from this level. But again it is facing resistance at this level, 670 level. Okay, what does this mean? Should you make an entry now? Definitely not. You should watch this stock for some more days, or maybe for some more weeks, because now it has started the downtrend here. Definitely it could come down, maybe up to this level, 520 level, 530 level. It could definitely come to that level, and after it comes, then we will decide if that is a good time to buy, because it needs to show strength at that 520 level, so that we will be convinced that yes, it could go up from this level. Okay, now if I go to the smaller time frames, like let's say 30 minutes, what do I see? I can clearly see the same thing, the weakness. If I use the moving averages, yes, we have gone one cross below in 30 minutes time frame, and definitely it could continue the downtrend and come down to the level I mentioned, and that is around 520, maybe 500. Okay, at that level it could definitely come. So we can assume this level 520, okay, as the level that it could come down up to. Okay, so just keep this stock in your watch list. Do not make any moves. If you are lucky and you have good technical knowledge, then definitely you must have taken a move here. Okay, and would have made some good profit. If not 50% in 7 days, at least 30 to 40% in that short span of time, definitely you would have made. Okay, but for investment purpose, you will have to wait for the stock to show some strong moves in higher time frames, like weekly. So definitely I'll make one more video in future once it start showing strength. Okay, and I have explained carefully how I figured out that it could bounce from this level in my earlier video. I'm sharing the link in the description section. Don't forget to go through it, you will learn a lot. Okay, and that is all about Balu Forge. I hope this video was useful and informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you'll get more stock analysis post, and also you'll be able to chat with me directly one to one on Discord. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.